I will swing my axe. Don't let the flames go down. Carve out some of that kindling. There's plenty of wood around.
Beauty. Oh yeah. There it is. Don't forget about that. This is Tom Joyner axe, 27-inch handle, custom made by Tom Joyner. Little 3.5 pound, 3.25 pound Craftsman head. Great bushcraft axe. Great craftsmanship. Nice work, Tom. Head over to the website, to my website. It's in my about section. Go over to there and check it out. See what you think. It's a beauty for sure. It's a dandy. Thanks everybody. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the support on this project, all the support for Tom, and all the help from Tom. We're getting, every day we get closer to Tazapalooza 2024, and that right there is going to help us. So like I said, head over to the website, check it out. Don't forget what Smokey says. Only you can prevent forest fires. Stay safe out there. Stay hydrated. Help somebody have a better day. Love you all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling.